Every revolution begins with a dream of change, of progress, of making a difference. In America, our industries have long been the backbone of global progress. Yet today they face a growing crisis. Unplanned downtime, once considered a manageable disruption, now costs the world's 500 largest companies 11% of their revenues, equivalent to $1.4 trillion lost annually. Equipment breakdowns are increasingly harder to detect and repair.
We can't go backwards, we gotta go forwards. I want us to make stuff. I want us to sell stuff.
At Tractian, we are raising the bar for maintenance and reliability, pushing boundaries to drive efficiency and ensure zero downtime.
For the very first time, we have closed the gap. The technology divide has been completely closed.
We are the bridge between people and machine. Being the Industrial Copilot means standing shoulder to shoulder with you to build resilient, future-proof operations. We meet you on the factory floor, understand the challenges of your reality, and partner with you to drive performance gains.
We went all over the US talking with maintenance managers, maintenance engineers, plant managers. What is the biggest problem that maintenance has?
Driving operational reliability is not just about predicting failures. It's about transforming maintenance into a streamlined, cost-efficient advantage. By leveraging advanced artificial intelligence, we help fine-tune processes, cut waste, and guide strategic decisions toward what truly matters: production, quality, and growth.
It's also because we've always believed in the power of innovation.
We're setting a new standard for predictive maintenance, ensuring operations run smoothly for those who matter most. We're on a path to ensure zero downtime for manufacturers and become the definitive Industrial Copilot.
You can't get people excited unless you can help them see and feel the impact.
To our clients, investors, and team members, thank you. Your trust, dedication, and partnership fuel our journey every day. Every line of code we deploy, every sensor we ship, and every insight we deliver is driven by a team passionate about building solutions that endure and making manufacturing a beacon of reliability and opportunity.
We choose to go to the moon, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
Join us as we continue to bridge the gap between humans and machines, transforming industries and creating a world where zero downtime is the standard, not the exception. Powered by AI, driven by people,